Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to embed or display Google Docs file in WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to display Google Doc file in our WordPress website. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write embedpress. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see embedpress. So click on it. So we are in plugin setting and then you see we are in global embed iframe, and then you see embed iframe width, embed iframe height. So you can set width and height according to requirement and then click on save changes, and then you see shortcode. So click on it. So we are going to embed Google Doc file. So we are in shortcode. Now go to file link and then you see docs.google.com. Now copy. Now back to WordPress website. Now paste and then click on generate. Now you see copy link. So you can add this code in Classic Editor, Gutenberg, Elementor Editor, any page builder. So we copy link. Now go to page. Now paste code and then click on update. Now page updated done. Go to website page and refresh the page. So you can embed docs.google.com file in any page builder. Now you see Google Docs file embed in WordPress website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.